GHDB is hackers for charity, called Google dorks, or foolish people as revealed by Google. It contains different kinds of entries like advisories and vulnerabilities, error messages, files containing juicy info, files containing passwords, files containing usernames, footholds, pages containing login portals, pages containing network or vulnerability data, sensitive directories, sensitive online shopping info, various online devices, vulnerable files, vulnerable servers, and web server detection. There's a lot there. Now I have clicked on a file containing password links. Now have a look. We have data, title, and a summary of each file here. And I'm going to click the right-hand side button and see the Google search detail. The .mysql history file contains commands that were performed against a MySQL database. And here's a history of said commands. Now, first, you shouldn't show this file to anyone, especially not a major search engine. Now, secondly, I sure hope you wouldn't type anything sensitive while interacting with your databases like usernames and passwords. Now, I've gone ahead and clicked on the link in the top, and I have redirected to Google search history. And again, I have to click one link, and it's logged in the database. Now, in this way, we can hack the database using GHDB.